Hello and Assalamu alaikum to all princes. Hope you are all fine. I am also doing good. Today's video is all about bags, and just bags. And I do hope that you love today's video because I think that in women accessories, the bags are the accessories which are every woman's favorite one. Every woman wants a number of collections of bags in their cupboard or wardrobe, also matching with each and every dress. Now moving towards today's videos, there are different types, styles and colors of bags, from chic crossbody bags to elegant totes, versatile clutches and spacious shoulder bags. There's something for every taste and occasions. Some popular types of bags in women's include crossbody bags, shoulder bags, tote bags, clutches, as well as handbags, backpacks, satchels, hobo bags, messenger bags, traveling bags, as well as belt bags, and so on. So why not give you details of different types of bags? So in crossbody bags, perfect for daily occasions as well as casual settings. Shoulder bags are the bags great for work, schools and travelings. If we talk about the tote bags, ideal for carrying all your essentials in styles. Clutches are perfect for special occasions as well as night outs. Handbags are another types of bag which is also known as shoulder bags or day bags. These are designed to be carried by hand or over the shoulders. Now, why not talk about the backpacks? Backpacks are practical bags with two straps, ideal for daily use, travel or hiking. Satchel bags are structured bag with the top handles and optional shoulder straps. Hobo bags are my most favorite bags because they are soft, clouchy bags with the single straps and also perfect for casual use. Messenger bags are the other types of bags. They are long, flat bags with the single straps designed for carrying laptops, tablets, or other essentials. Last one is the belt bag, small bags attached to a belt designed for carrying minimal essentials while keeping hands free. Here I must want to mention that these are just a few examples of the many types of women's bags available in market, and each style has its own unique characteristics and some may overlap between categories. If we talk about the trendy colors in women bags, here are some trendy colors in bags like neutral colors, beige and bright colors, as well as pastel and soft colors are very trending nowadays, especially in 2024. Now let's talk about some trendy bags ideas which are very trending in 2024. Boho chic bags, functional bags, luxury bags, sustainable bags, as well as mini bags are remain trending in 2024. Now, if you are looking for the perfect bag to elevate your styles, there are many amazing options, from chic crossbody bags to elegant totes, versatile clutches and spacious shoulder bags. And you can find a wide range of stylish and affordable bags from popular brands, as well as you can shop online and get your favorite bag delivered right to your doorstep. I do hope that this video will be helpful for you and you like today's video. If yes, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon so you can get the notifications of my upcoming videos on time. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.